All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
What kind of have? Friends
I
or
I
family
have a
members?
friend. I have a friend there working.
Remind yourself that you come to work here and then to meet up with your friends, okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first time
Why you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because I heard Malaysia is safe in OFW, ma'am.
What
And
is your
there's
name?
Geraldine Filner.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old.
Are you single or married?
I am married before, ma'am, but my husband is missing
Missing.
in
Missing in
Typhoon
action. Or find
Yes,
another
in
wife.
Typhoon Pablo, ma'am. And I have a
Oh.
partner now. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So you have a live-in partner now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When is your birthday? When is your
March
birthday?
12, 1986, ma'am.
March
March
12,
12,
19.
1986, ma'am.
Okay, what is your
86.
height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and I'm 70 kilos.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am high school graduate, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
I have one children, girl, 8 years old.
Okay. Who will going to take care of your kid later, knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
My my living partner, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He is 38 years old and he is a tricycle driver.
Okay. So, is he the father of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 6 brothers, ma'am, and I have sisters 6 also.
What is your rank in your family?
I am 12.
You're the 12. You're the youngest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about your parents?
My father, ma'am, was died and my mother was died also.
So, both deceased. Okay. So, is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what will you do if you miss your children or if you miss your family? Because homesickness strikes you.
I'm calling her, ma'am, after my work. I will make her video call.
All right. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
No, ma'am.
No. So, what is your working experience then?
I work here in the Philippines, ma'am, as a food
Vendor.
processing.
You are a food vendor?
No, ma'am, food processing like tuna
Okay. So, how many years
factory.
you work in factory?
I started working there at 2010 until 2012.
Okay, you work for 2 years. After 2012, do you
Yes.
have any working experience?
No, ma'am.
So you are a full-time mother, 20,
Yes, ma'am.
2012 until recently.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you know that working abroad is not that so easy? It's a very, very tough job.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
So what happened? Why you wanted to come here?
I just want to experience that they said that the working abroad is not easy, but I like to work for the future of my daughter.
Okay. So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big. There is no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seatbelt because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I can cook, but only Filipino food. But
But
I will try to cook Chinese food.
all right. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you cannot handle your job anymore, and you are homesick. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is not a trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That if you wanted to go back home is just so easy. Yeah, once you
Yes,
terminate your
ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Yeah,
Yes,
usage
ma'am.
of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's okay. You can come, show us that you are a hardworking one. But if you disagree, it's okay also. You can
Yes,
stay in
ma'am.
the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes,
This is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family. Then what will you do later? If you feel homesick or if you miss your family,
I will call her, ma'am, in video call.
video call. Remind
Yes, ma'am.
yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? You come to work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, like what you have mentioned just a while ago. In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to
Yes,
follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
yes, ma'am.
You can work under pressure, right? You can work under pressure. Then if you feel stressed also, you can still work.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Geraldine. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good
Bye.
day.